देंगे या फिर जितना चाहे बोल सकते हैं?
एक
क्योंकि
मिनट
वहाँ तो 1 ही मिनट होगा ना।
एक
आप
मिनट
स्टॉप
एक
कर
मिनट
देंगे बाद में?
यस।
ओके। कैन आई स्पीक? स्टार्ट करूँ सर?
कंटिन्यू पूजा।
Okay. Jai Hind everyone, I am Pooja Kumari. I belong to Rajasthan, which famous for its historical places. I have completed my schooling in 2022. Currently, I am pursuing graduation. My hobby is to play Kho-Kho. I am physically fit and mentally sound. My father is a farmer and my mother is a dedicated homemaker. I want to join Indian Air Force because I am very much inspired by squad leader Avni Chaturvedi ma'am, and at the same time, it's provide opportunity to start the career and serve the nation in very low age. Now come to this topic. This topic is road accident. It's assigned to us. Road accidents means refers to an event involving at least one vehicle on a road that results in a road accident cause of accidents of humans and also hospitalization and many people's we can see in road accidents many people's damage in mindly affected also, and it's a result badly in our country. We know that India is third place of road accidents and is bad effect in our overall country
नाउ नेक्स्ट
and
कैंडिडेट स्मृति ओडिशा।
Jai Hind, respected sir and my dear friends. I am Smriti Ranjan from Odisha, Cuttack, which is famous for Baravati Stadium. I am completed my class 12 from Salapur Secondary School. I am currently pursuing graduation from Salapur Autonomous College. My hobbies are like playing cricket and reading newspaper in free time. I want to join Agnivir Bayu because it is a great opportunity to serve our motherland after completing my class 12. Thank you, friends. This is all about to me. Now I am coming to our GD topic, which is assigned to us, that is road accident in India. We know that India is the fastest developing country after China. So road accident cases is also increasing day by day. So we know that in India, road accident is play a major role in our country. So every day, like 10,000 people, more than 10,000 people are facing road accidents. So road accident is due to not proper construction of road, imbalance, and listening song at the time of driving, and not use the helmet, etc. So we know that about 90% of death on the road due to speeding, overtaking, and dangerous driving. Thank you.
नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट गौतम रॉय।
Jai Hind, respected sir and my dear friends. My name is Gautam Kumar. I am from Begusarai, Bihar, which is famous for Kawar Lake. I completed 12th from Bihar board. Now I am pursuing BA from Lalit Narayan Mithila University. My hobby are playing outdoor games and my strength are never give up easily. And I am a courageous person who can take calculative risk. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is the most respectful job in our society. That's true all about me now. I'm coming to our GD topic. Today our GD topic is road accident. As we all know that France, India is a higher population country in the world. So here many vehicles in running. And if I talk about road accident, though road accident happen various reasons like air pollution and stubble burning and mainly happen this is drinking during the driving and if I talk about winter season then the fog time increase and it is also happen causes of road accident.
नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट अनुराग शुक्ला।
My name is Anurag. I am from UP in Fatehpur. As far as my qualification concerned, I have passed intermediate from UP board 2022. There are 5 members in my family. My father is a farmer. My mother is a good homemaker. My hobby is cricket and reading book. I want to join Indian Air Force. It is my childhood dreams. Thank you.
नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट आयुष मालकोटी।
Jai Hind, respected sir and dear aspirants. I am Ayush Malkoti from Podigrad, Uttarakhand, as known as Devbhumi. I have completed my 10th class from Government Higher Secondary School Malkot and 12th from Janta Inter College Kamalpur, Sanglakoti. At the present, I am pursuing BCom second year from SOL Delhi University. My hobbies are to play cricket and listen to rap music. My life aim is to join Agniveer Vayu, where I can contribute to the defense and security of our beloved country. Thank you, sir and friends. That's all about me. Now come to our GD topic, which is assigned to us, and our GD topic is road accident. So, friends, we know that in India, high populated country, so we have also seen this in road cases accident where many people die in the road accident. There are many cases of road accident like pollution, over speeding, or underage driving and etc. So, friends, in the further discussion, I will talk about it.
Okay, next candidate, Dharmendra Prajapati.
I'm audible, sir.
Continue.
Jai Hind, everyone. First of all, I would like to wish a very good evening, dear friends and respected sir. I am Dharmendra Kumar. I belongs to Kanpur, located in Uttar Pradesh. I got good academic record in 10th standard as well as 12th standard, and I have done my graduation from Kanpur University in 2023. My hobbies are playing badminton and listening music. And I want to join Indian Air Force because it's given me a golden opportunity to serve the nation with the adventures. And now we are coming to our topic that is assigned to me, road accident. Dear friend, as we know that road accident increasing day by day because our population is increasing day by day. So as we know that many people who run their vehicle on the road, they can also use the smartphone and also get alcohol during the driving the car. After that, they faced accident, and as we seen that many children who below the age of 18, they can also run vehicle on the highways. After that, they can get an accident, and we have more concern about the accidents because accidents also increasing day by day in our country. And winter season, I will see many cases. The accident cases increasing very rapidly because they have more fogs. We cannot see in the front of vehicles. So this activity is also rapidly spread. Further point, we will more discuss about this topic in our group discussion.
धर्मेंद्र प्रजापति, आप थोड़ा सा एक बीच में रुका मत कीजिए, फ्लुएंटली बोलिए ताकि और भी अच्छा आपका हो जाएगा। ग्रुप डिस्कशन का जो पार्ट है आपका वो और अच्छा हो जाएगा। थोड़ा सा आप और फ्लुएंटली बोलने की कोशिश कीजिए। ओके
Okay sir. Next time I will.
नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट आदित्य कुमार.
Sir, I am audible.
Yes, continue.
Respected sir and my dear friends, my name is Adit Kumar. I am from Fatehpur, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my 10 plus 2 education with PCM stream from UP board. My father is a diligent farmer and my mother is a good dedicated homemaker. My hobbies are reading newspaper, running and playing outdoor games like volleyball, cricket, etc. I want to join Indian Agniveer. Why? Because it is a great opportunity to serve our motherland. Thank you. And its logo and its motto to touch the sky with glory inspire me. I will here we discuss about the topic. The topic is road accident. Road accident are increasing day by day, not only in India but also all over the world. Road accident are occurred due to lack of rule and regulations. But as we know that friends, hearing songs and listening reels and videos sound, then many road accident are occurred or badly.
कैंडिडेट देखिए, अभी आदित्य कुमार, आप जब आपको ऐसा लगे कि अभी मेरे से आगे कंटिन्यू नहीं होगा, जब आपके पास पॉइंट नहीं है तो उसको और आगे खींचने की कोशिश मत करो क्योंकि वो आपकी परफॉर्मेंस को खराब कर रहा है। तो जहां पर भी आपको ऐसा लगे कि अभी इसके आगे मेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा, वहीं पे उसको एंड कर दो। ओके
सर, मेरे पास पॉइंट थे।
देखो, जब अभी आपके पास पॉइंट नहीं है क्योंकि आप इसको लंबा खींचने लगे, इसका मतलब यही होता है। ऐसे तो पॉइंट होने का मतलब तो ये होता है कि जो रोड एक्सीडेंट टॉपिक है उसके पूरा आपने पढ़ा है तो उसका पूरे के पॉइंट आपके पास। ऐसे एक बार बोलने के लिए जो सफिशिएंट पॉइंट होते हैं, अगर वो आपके पास नहीं है तो वहीं पर उसको रोक देना चाहिए, ये आपके लिए बेहतर रहता है। ओके, अभी नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट आशुतोष सिंह।
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Ashutosh Singh. I am from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my 12th PCM from UP board and now I am pursuing my graduation from Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj University, Kanpur. And my hobbies are playing cricket and reading books. I want to join Indian Air Force because His duty and discipline are always attached to me, and I want to serve our nation. That's all about me. And now we are here to discuss on the topic. The topic is the road accidents. Road accident is a big problem not only in India but also all over the world. India is on third position in road accident. Due to accident, many persons are facing of death, disabilities, and hospitalization. Road accidents have many causes like lack of road safety rules and the poor condition of road, and people are not follow traffic rules. Thank you.
Okay, next candidate Krishna Gopal.
सर आज 2 बैच नहीं बनाए क्या?
नो, आप स्टार्ट कीजिए.
ओके सर, ओके. जय हिंद all of you. My name is Krishna Gopal. I belong to Mathura from Uttar Pradesh. Mathura is famous for birth of Lord Krishna. If I talk about my education qualification, I have passed 12th class from BSVP School Bharatpur, and now I am pursuing education BA from Dr. V.R. Ambedkar University, Agra. If I mention my family, my father is a farmer and my mother is a homemaker. After referring the paragraph, friend, as we know that nowadays road accident is increasing day by day because people are not aware, and as we know that traffic rules are not made by the government for the earning money. It's made by the government for the safety of people, and traffic rules provide a smooth movement of a vehicle. So thank you.
नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट चौधरी जी. नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट चौधरी जी. नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट चौधरी जी. ओके, नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट चौधरी बीटू. नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट जयश्री दादा कृष्णा.
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Priyam Yadav. My father's name Mr. Sachendra Kumar is a farmer. I am from Etawah, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed class 12th with PCM in State Board. I am pursuing graduation from Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj University in Kanpur. Dear friend, I have to discuss on the topic road accident. Road accident is a very big problem, not only India but also whole world. India is the third largest in road accident. Sometimes people driving with alcohol and talking on mobile and listening song, so it is a main reason of road accident. And but it is a poor facility in hospital, so people are many death in our India's but in my opinion, government should and people take with to an traffic police, and people are with aware and help to support. So in this condition well, and people should not get the bike in above below the 18 years age children. Thank you.
जय श्री राधा कृष्णा. आपको अभी बहुत ज्यादा प्रिपरेशन करने की जरूरत है. एक तो आप डेली सेशन कंटिन्यू करो. आपने बीच के अंदर बहुत ज्यादा गैप दे दिया है, तो ये आपके लिए नुकसानदायक है. तो कंटिन्यू सेशन में प्रैक्टिस करनी है, क्योंकि आप बीच में बहुत ज्यादा रुक रहे हो. तो ये चीजें जो है ये प्रैक्टिस से ही दूर हो पाएंगी. ओके, अभी नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट रहेंगे निर्भय.
Hello everyone, my name is Nirbhay Pratap Singh. I belong to Fatehpur, Uttar Pradesh. I had completed my intermediate in 2022. Now I am pursuing my bachelor degree from Kanpur University. I have 4 members in my family. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is one of the way to serve our country, and also it is my dream to join Indian Air Force. That's all about me. Let's come to the topic, which is road accident. Road accidents are unfortunately prevalent in India, and the majority of these accidents are caused by human fault. It is imperative to be cautious, drive carefully, and follow traffic rules. One of the most common cause of road accident is distracted driving. The number of accidents occurring due to distracted driving has increased in the past decades. And also, drunk driving, speeding, not wearing seat belt are the common causes for the road accidents. According to the WHO, approximately 1.19 million people die each year as a result of the road accident crashes. Between 20 and 50 million more people suffer non-fatal injuries, with many incurring a disability. That's all. That's all are my thoughts. Thank you.
Next candidate, chess number 17.
Jai Hind, respected sir and my dear friends. I am Salni. I am from Mathura, UP, which is famous for the birth of Lord Krishna. I have completed my class 10th and class 12th from MBM Inter College, Nagoda, Mathura. At present, I pursuing BSc first year from Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar University. There are 6 members in my family. My father name is Sushil Kumar. He is a farmer. My mother name is Hemlata Devi. She is a dedicated homemaker. My hobbies are playing game and doing yoga. My life aim is I want to serve myself in Indian Air Force because it is a great opportunity to serve for our motherland after completing from our class 12th. Thank you, sir. That's all about me. Now, friends, I coming to our GD topic. So today's topic is road accident. Road accident is the most unwanted thing to happen to a road user, though they happen quite often. Main cause of accident and crashes are due to human error like over speeding, drunken driving, distraction of driver, red light jumping, avoid safety gear like seat belt and helmet. Thank you.
Next candidate, Rohit Rathod.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Rohit. I belong to Hardoi, located in UP. There are 5 members in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is a perfect homemaker. I have done 12th from UP board, BA recently from Kanpur University. My hobbies playing cricket and reading newspaper. That's all about me. Dear friends, today we are here to discuss about the topic of road accident. Road accident is a very critical issue not only in India but also all over the world. It is impact of the our individuals, families, economics because Indian population increased day by day and as like vehicles increase day by day. This is cause of the injuries, fatalities and significant property damage and even human does not follow the rule of the traffic police and does not wear the helmet and seat belt. India is one third place in road accident. Road accident continue increasing. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
रोहित राठौड़, आपके पॉइंट अच्छे हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, लेकिन जो आपके पॉइंट है उनका कुछ
Yes,
पॉइंट
sir.
ऐसे बोल रहे हैं जिनका जो मीनिंग है वो गलत निकल रहा है, तो थोड़ा सा उसके ऊपर ध्यान दो अपने पॉइंट्स के ऊपर, और बाकी सब अच्छा है। नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट आयशा शुक्ला।
ठीक है सर।
Jai Hind, sir, and my dear friends. My name is Aisha Shukla. I am from Kanpur, located in Uttar Pradesh, which is famous for leather and textile industries. I have done my schooling from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Kanpur, Dehat in 2022 with CBSE board. I would love to listening songs and playing badminton. There are 4 members in my family, including me. I am self-motivated, goal-oriented, and passionate about my work. I am ambitious to join Indian Air Force because it gives us a platform to serve the nation with glory. At the same time, it ensures job security as well. Now move on to our topic, which is road accidents. Recently the number of deaths rate increases day by day due to the road accidents in India, and it is also the become the cause of worry because about 70% of the accidents are involved in young Indians, and as India is said to be the fastest developing country after the China, and our country is performing also good in every field such as industrialization and education, but the condition of roads is not very good. It is the serious problems, and it is a major problem in India.
Okay, next candidate Alpha 14. Next candidate Alpha 14. Next candidate Prashant.
Jai Hind, respected sir and dear friends. I am Prashant. I am from Unnao, which is located in Uttar Pradesh, and Uttar Pradesh is famous for textile industry. I have completed 10th and 12th from UP board. At present, I am pursuing BSc third year from Mahapra Nirala Degree College, Josiam Bigapur, Unnao. I want to join Indian Air Force because it provides a disciplined, dedicated, and adventurous life. Thank you, friend. That's all about me. Now I am coming to our GD topic, which is assigned to us: road accident. Friends, we know that India is a country with high population, so the cases of road accident increasing in India day by day. The road accident is a critical problem in India. Due to the road accident, many persons suffering from many critical situations. Many mothers lost their son. Many sisters lost their brother. And our government also take a step against take a step for providing a better road infrastructure, providing better road, also reduce the cases of road accident. Thank you.
देखिए प्रशांत, आप बहुत फास्ट बोले आज। आप इतनी फास्ट बोल के अपने कुछ सेंटेंस को खराब कर रहे थे, उनका मीनिंग और भी कुछ निकल रहा है, तो थोड़ा सा स्पीड को स्लो कीजिए। जैसे आप डेली कंटिन्यू करते हैं, थोड़ी स्पीड को स्लो रखिए, ओके? फिर और अच्छा होगा आपका। नाउ नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट अल्फा 14। नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट अल्फा 14। नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट अल्फा 14।
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Rawal Singh Rathod. I am from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. I completed intermediate from Jodhpur in 2023. Currently, I am pursuing Bachelor of Arts from JNU. The topic which is assigned to us is road accident. As we know that currently India is the country with the highest population, and road accidents are major issues in our country. Day by day it is increasing. There are several reasons for these accidents, and the main reason for these accidents is drunken driving and using social media while driving cars and vehicles. Thank you.
अल्फा 14 अगर आप इस तरीके से बोलोगे तो आप डेफिनेटली आउट होने वाले हो। आपको बहुत ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस करने की जरूरत है, तो आप ज्यादा से ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस कीजिए अभी टॉपिक्स की। जितने आपको टॉपिक करवा दिए गए हैं उन सभी टॉपिक को आप रिपीट कीजिए, और जो नए टॉपिक डेली चल रहे होंगे, स्पीकिंग की भी प्रैक्टिस आपको साथ साथ में करनी होगी। आपकी हालत बहुत ज्यादा ही खराब है, थोड़ी सी प्रैक्टिस करो फिर अच्छा होगा, ओके? प्रैक्टिस करने की बहुत ज्यादा जरूरत है आपको।
हाँ भाई, it was first time.
नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट चौधरी जी। नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट गौतम रॉय।
हम बोल चुके हैं।
आयुष मालकोटी।
हो गया।
दो कैंडिडेट हैं, एक ने चौधरी जी लिख रखा है, एक ने चौधरी B2 लिख रखा है। आप दोनों का नहीं हुआ है तो आप पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं दोनों 1 by 1।
जी सर, मेरा नहीं है।
हाँ तो स्टार्ट कीजिए।
जय हिंद सर and Jai Hind dear all. I am Prem Chaudhary. I belong to Mathura, Uttar Pradesh. If I talk about my educational qualification, I completed my 12th from UP board. Now I mention my family. There are 5 members in my family: my parents and 3 siblings. After referring the paragraph, I want to say that the road accident increasing day by day. The main reason of every road accident by increasing the vehicles in India. And friends, as you know, that almost all people are always in hurry. They don't wait for green signals, even the brake, or violate the rules, traffic rules, which is not good. And violence of traffic rules in the country like India is very common. Our government have made so many effort to improve in the system, but it needs to lot of improve. Thank you.
भाई कल भी आपको बताया था कि अपने नाम को तो सही से लिख लो, अभी नाम ही समझ में नहीं आ रहा क्या लिख रखा है। क्या बोल के आपको बोल लो, अभी कुछ लिख रखा है। हाँ आप स्टार्ट कीजिए।
हैप्पी है।
हाँ
जय
तो
हिंद
स्टार्ट
एवरीवन।
कीजिए।
जय हिंद एवरीवन। I am Dilkush from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Now I would like to introduce our GD topic is related to the road accident. we are
सुनो
the
मेरी
major
बात दिलखुश, मेरी बात सुनो। पहले अपना सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन दो, अबाउट द टॉपिक उसके बाद होता है। अभी आप इतनी देर से सेशन के अंदर हो तो थोड़ा तो अपना माइंड रखो। तभी तो मैं बोलता हूँ कि लिसनिंग पावर आपकी अच्छी नहीं होगी तो आप जेडी के अंदर आउट होने वाले हो। लिसनिंग पावर पे ध्यान दो, बोलना ही सब कुछ नहीं होता, आपका ध्यान कहाँ पे है ये भी जरूरी
मैंने
है।
सोचा
स्टार्ट नाउ।
शॉर्ट में जय हिंद
नहीं,
एवरीवन,
शॉर्ट नहीं
माय
चाहिए
नेम
कुछ भी।
माय नेम
जितना
इज
आप
दिलकुश।
शॉर्टकट लाइफ में अपनाओगे ना, उतना ही आप फेल होते जाओगे। शॉर्टकट कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए, जो बोला उसको फॉलो करो ओनली। ओके, नाउ स्टार्ट।
Everyone, my name is Dilkush. I am from Jodhpur, which is famous for Mehrangarh Fort, Umaid Palace, and Jaswantara. I complete my 12th from RBSc board and now pursuing I am BSc. My hobby is playing cricket, volleyball, and spend time with my family member and friends. I want to join Indian Air Force as a Agniveer because it is job full of pride, satisfaction, and adventure. Now, I would like to introduce our GD topic is related to the road accident. The major reason behind the road accident to don't follow the traffic rules and don't awareness about the traffic rule in people in mostly in rural area. We see the many times the license and issue by the illegally to the teenagers and who don't get the adults and below to the 18 year. It's a major reason behind the accident, and we see some bikes, cars, and trucks will be prohibited in cities because city area is a most populated area. Then we see the many barrier, many breakers also make in that, and some people who driving the truck. We see the truck don't allow in city in daytime. They only allow in night time because the traffic in the night is decreased as compared to the day. And other side, the drunk driving and listening music is also reason behind the accident, and accident will be increase the hospitalization and case of death and many more things, and it's also affect the our transport system.
देखिए दिलखुश, आपको एक तो स्पीड इंक्रीज करने की जरूरत है। ओके, और बाकी सब कुछ अच्छा है। एक स्पीड को थोड़ा सा इंक्रीज कीजिए ताकि आपके जो पॉइंट्स है वो फ्लुएंसी के साथ में बाहर आए। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट निकिता चौधरी। हेलो, नाउ नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट निकिता चौधरी।
First of all, good evening to all. My name is Nikita Chaudhary. I belong to Hathras. I have completed my higher secondary education from CBSE board. Now
निकिता सिंह,
I am
आपकी वॉइस
pursuing
नहीं आ रही है प्रॉपर तरीके से।
BA second year from Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar University. My hobbies is listening music and playing games. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives adventures life and better opportunity after 12th. We are here to discuss about the topic road accident. We all aware about road accident happen in all over. सर वो नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है इसलिए नहीं आ रही होगी।
इसीलिए आपकी वॉइस नहीं आ पा रही है। तो हम नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट के साथ में कंटिन्यू करेंगे। नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट रहेंगे अपने, अभी कोई कैंडिडेट ऐसा जिसका सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन अबाउट द टॉपिक नहीं हुआ है? कैंडिडेट ऐसा जिसका सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन एंड अबाउट द टॉपिक नहीं हुआ है? ओके, अभी सभी का हो चुका है। तो आशुतोष सिंह, आप आज के टॉपिक को इनिशिएट करेंगे। स्टार्ट नाउ। और देखिए एक चीज और आयुष, आप आशुतोष, आपके स्टार्ट करने से पहले सभी को एक चीज और बता देता हूं कि जब आप एक बार बोल लेते हैं, फिर से जब आप अपना रिपीट कर रहे हैं, उसके बीच में कम से कम 3 कैंडिडेट का होना चाहिए, तभी आप कंटिन्यू करेंगे। ओके, अभी स्टार्ट कीजिए आशुतोष, आप स्टार्ट कीजिए।
Road accident is a big problem not only in India but also all over the world. India is on third place in road accident. Due to road accident, many persons are facing of death, disabilities, and hospitalization. So, road accidents have many causes like lack of road safety rules, poor condition of road vehicles, and many persons during driving time, many persons drink alcohol, so they are facing of death. And the cause of road accident is over speeding, and many persons gave overtaking. So we want to reduce road accident, so we should work together with traffic police, and we should follow all traffic rules.
Yes, my dear friends, I appreciate your
Something
thoughtful
to continue
response.
discussion is road accident is also create many problems.
Delhi and Mumbai is one of the major traffic jam in India. So there are
who lose our body part, lose part, and etc. So friends, as we know that the pupils ignore the traffic symbol, driving at the high speed, drunk driving, riding without helmet, riding or without helmet, without license. So we should very careless and friends, taking U-turn anywhere, giving no indicator, use mobile phone while driving, riding, and no signal etc.
Yes,
So
dear
right
friends.
at to continue discussion, I
As we
want
know
to say
that
something.
friends,
It's
India is with high
no
population
doubt.
country, and as we know that friends, over speeding and overtaking is the main cause of road accident in India. As we know that friend, overloaded truck, car, and as well as many other vehicles are increasing road accident in our India. As we know that for the reducing road accident, our government should increases many express highway like Yamuna Express, Ganga Express. As we know that friends, for the reducing road accident, our government should increase many strict step and penalty for the road accident. So it is reduces and it can be reduced for the upcoming. Thank you.
Right to continue discussion, I want to say something. Road accident is also creating many problems in our country. Not all our country